This is the non-adhesive, low-profile extruded hook. So this is a HTH tape, which is high technology hook, and the reference for the hooks is 805. So being plastic extruded, it does run edge to edge, and the corresponding velour loop is also edge to edge. So this does work best with velour loops. It is a low profile hook, and they are very, very small, but they are much bigger than the low profile self-adhesive hook, and we'll do a little short and show them side by side separately, so check out that video. It is non-adhesive, so you can apply your own adhesives to the back, or you can simply sew it on by machine or hand. It is worth noting that with the sew-on range of low-profile tapes, the hook tapes come on 50-metre rolls, and the velour still comes on a 25-metre roll. So do just bear that in mind when buying low-profile hook. Generally a 50-metre roll with the hook tapes. On the self-adhesive, it is a 25-metre roll on both hook and loop, so it can catch you out. But that is your HTH 805 extruded hook tape. So the hook, just to give you some idea on how it's made up, it is, if you took a piece of heavy duty hook, you'd see that it has the stem and the hooks both branch off each way, and this is exactly the same. It's just a shrunk down version of that hook. So that is your low profile plastic hook, available in a range of widths, and it is standard in black and white.